Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. Araw tayo ng Sabado, June 7, 2025. Meron tayong 1400 meter races, no bearing pa rin. Alas 4 ng hapon, mag-uumpisa. Race number 1 tayo, start ng winner take all. 3-year-old and above maiden race, placers. Pampremera ko, sasalayin ko na yung numero 1 Kankalo Queen with JT Pabilik. Imported runner to, 1-14 sa kanyang novato run sa 1-2. Yung numero 12 imported din, pero 127.2 sa 1-2. So hindi natin alam kung tinatago lang yung galing ng kabayo. Rabano pa may-ari. Kung may ipoportas ako siguro yung 9, easy go lucky. Anyway, solo ko na yan, numero 1 Kankalo Queen. Race number 2, pick 6 naman to, class 4, 22 to 27 split. First race ko yung numero 8, Cats in the Cradle with Pams M. Caballero. Panigundo ko numero 2, Frosty Raven with Onel P. Cortez. Tapos sasama ko yung 3, Central Luzon with RM Garcia. 8-2-3, race number 2. Race number 3, pick 5, class 4, 16 to 21 split. Pampremera ko naman dito, numero 12, Player Andre with John Paul Eguse. Panigundo ko, numero 11, Kaboom with Michael De Jesus. And then sasama ko, numero 7, Queen Gabi with Patty Dilema. 12-11-7, race number 3. Race number 4, pick 4, class 5, 6 to 10, split. First race ko, numero 2, Thriller, CS Pare Jr. And then panigundo ko, Don Damiano, number 6, with CP Henson. 2-6, race 4. Race number 5 naman tayo. Huling DD plus 1, class 5, 6 to 10, split. Dito, pampremera ko number 10, Go G Go with RJC Tabor. Panigundo ko, hindi pa rin ako nagsasawa. Numero 12, French Leather with Pamboy Ponce. And then sasama ko, numero 4, Etnad with RC Baldonido. 10-12-4, race number 5. Race number 6, penultimate race, class 5, 11 to 15, split. First race ko, numero 1, Batang Angkalo with JT Pabilik. Second choice, number 2, Everland with John Alvin Guse. At isasama ko yung numero 9, Work From Home. 1-2-9, race number 6. Race number 7, huling karera na to, class 5, 5 placers. Ito, mahirap na karera, maraming may panalo. Pampremero ko 5, Manila Boy, Danny Boy Camaniero. Panigundo ko yung 11, Good Reason with Lester De Jesus. At sasama ko yung numero 12, 7 of Diamonds with Kelvin Abobo. 5-11-12, race number 7. Good luck po, happy racing, and God bless.